Welcome to Level Up Awareness, a channel for well-being and personal growth. You're here with Job. Today I'm talking about the best state of mind and the worst state of mind to make decisions. I've been in a leadership position for a long time in my life, and I kind of help people on a daily basis. What I do is what I love to do, and this is something that when you're in these decision-making positions, you've got to learn to kind of sometimes be quick at making decisions, and sometimes it's better to just give it a minute or two, or sometimes give it a day. It depends on the kind of situation you've got. But the best state of mind to make decisions, it's pretty simple. Like I always say, you simplify it and you've got your solution. It's when you're calm, it's when you're balanced, it's when you're thinking clearly. It's when you're not rushed. So these are the moments when you're going to be in your best state of mind to be making any decisions, hands down. If you struggle to find your way into those kind of moments, then take some time. Watch a few of my other videos as well. You can consciously breathe. You can walk sometimes. You can, whatever works for you. Read a book. Just bring yourself back to being centered, to being in the present moment. Very important. I love that. And there's plenty more videos about that coming. That's something that it excites me to teach. I really enjoy it because it's beautiful. I love when everyone's happy and in the moment. It's a beautiful state of mind to live in. So that's first things first is best state of mind, calm, balanced, and thinking clearly. So when you're calm, balanced, and thinking clearly, you're more open to allow your gut feel and your intuition to kind of shine through and assist with your decision making. This is, I'm going to be doing videos about intuition for sure in the future. There's no doubt. So I want to move on to the worst state of mind to make decisions. So there's two parts to this. I want to actually start with something that's a bit different. So when you're super excited and you're super happy, that's a bad time to make any decision. I learned that the hard way. That's the worst time to make a decision because sometimes we'll say yes to something you probably shouldn't have said yes to, because I'm a yes prone guy. Even when I'm in a normal state of mind, I'll always say I love saying yes and I love to do things. But at the same time, when you're too excited and you're like, oh yeah, I'll do it, and you're like, oh okay, I shouldn't have said yes to that. I wasn't thinking clearly. So just being careful. Basically, it's being careful. Sometimes when you're super excited and you're still in a good frame of mind to make decisions, like at the moment I can actually do that. If I'm super excited, I'm aware of it. So I'm like, okay, I'm a bit excited right now, but I'm going to be careful with decisions. So I'm aware of it. When you're not aware of it, again, I learned that the hard way many times. So wanted to put that one there out for you. So obviously to bring yourself back to balance there, sometimes a few deep breaths works for me, or even just taking a minute, just walk away. And bring yourself back, okay? And then the second part, which is obvious, is just a negative mindset. So when you're in a negative mindset, you may be upset or angry. So something to fix this can be just to simply calm down or consciously breathe, like I said in my last video. The next one could be when you're anxious and stressed. So in this moment as well, like I've just mentioned, calmness and conscious breathing, or even meditation, or like I said, go for a walk. There's plenty of things to do here, and I'm going to have plenty more information about this kind of topic. So just bringing yourself back to balance, bringing yourself back to calmness before you make that decision. And the next one is fatigue. So when you're tired, you're vulnerable. And when you're vulnerable, you shouldn't be making decisions. So again, maybe get some sleep, meditate again. Meditation's like cheating, like seriously. Sometimes if I'm a bit tired, I'll meditate for 6 minutes, bang, I'm back. I'm back in the moment, I'm $1,000,000. So very much a hack of life. You can really help your life by meditating or whatever works for you. And the next one is obviously rushed. I mentioned it in the other section as well. So when you're rushed, you've got a smaller time frame to make the best decision. So some people get really good at making rushed decisions. Like it comes in time. So it's just being careful when you're rushed. Again, it's being aware that I'm rushed. Let's try to make a really positive decision in this moment. So I think it's just awareness of when you're rushed and just try to bring yourself back to calmness to make a decision. And the last couple I want to touch on here is second last is confused. When you're confused, simple, learn more about the situation before making a decision. And lastly, when you're pressured. So if you're pressured by yourself, if you're pressuring yourself, or if there's others pressuring you with peer pressure, obviously, first I want to start with the peer pressure actually. So when you're being peer pressure, just be like, okay, it's my life, sorry, and you can make your own decision. It's your life, always remember that. And obviously, if you're pressuring yourself, don't be hard on yourself. Just give it a minute. Again, bring yourself back to a beautiful state of mind to make a beautiful decision. All right, I really hope this video helped you. If you think it might help someone else, please share it with them. And if you wouldn't mind liking this video, if you did like it, and subscribe for more videos, click the bell notifications, plenty more coming, plenty more love. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you're enjoying my channel. Thank you guys. Peace and love.